Photobox 16 by 16 Quick Install Foldable Portable Studio Kit with Soft Light Cloth Professional Photography Equipment Adjustable White Light, Soft Light, Warm Light. Photo Light Box 16 by 16 inch 3 color, White Light, Soft Light, Warm Light, 10 level, 1%, 100%, Adjustable Studio Photo Light Box. The brightness is times of ordinary light boxes, no strobe and flashing. Applied to professional photographer to take high-quality photos. The light diffuser given away makes photos softer. Professional light built-in 144 LED 25 lumens 2835 lamp beads, CRI greater than or equal 90, 3200-6500K color temperature to meet all your needs for photos in different situations. Portable and quickly foldable. Still troubled by the huge photographic equipment? Our photography light box solves all your problems. Handle design can easily set up and carry. Installation can be completed within seconds without extra tools. It is foldable, you can carry it anywhere. Good light gathering effect. Professional particulate silver film reflective fabric inside diffuses light evenly and avoid vignette. Good light gathering effect. Multicolor backdrops with 6 removable different color backdrops paper. It is double side different color. Total 12 colors will be sent out together with the Photo Studio Light Box. Photography Light Box. The Photo Light Box applied to professional photographer to take high quality photos. It is equipped a ring LED panel on the top with 12 colors of backdrops papers. White diffuser cloth helps you, which can fix the problem of products highly reflecting light. The product is lightweight and can be folded for use. Studio size 15.8 by 15.8 by 15.8 inch, unfold / 15.8 x 15.8 x 2.5 inch, fold. Six kinds double-sided 12 color backgrounds, setup and removable effortless, give you more options to shooting. High CRI greater than 95. The LEDs with high color rendering index, CRI 95, provide natural and vivid shooting effects. The photography lighting box delivers continuous soft natural light and reveal the true colors of the object. Despite in daylight or at night, the photography shooting tent could always provide steady and excellent lighting effect whenever you take photography. Soft cloth. White diffuser cloth helps you to soften the light in every corner, which can fix the problem of products highly reflecting light. Recommend strongly to use it when shooting jewelries or glasses. Reflective fabrics material. The built-in silver special reflective fabric material can effectively reduce shadows during shooting and distribute light evenly in the photo box. Portable and easy to use. With particular folding design, the whole assembly of our light box only needs 10 seconds. Follow our simple installation guide to set up the mini shooting tent in second, making photography becoming simpler and easier now.